Hi everyone, my name is Gianina and I'm your Bokashi mentor. I am mentoring under the wings of Ma'am Lanie, the owner of Bokashi Pinoy Composting, and Ma'am Ninfa, the head of this current batch. So the title of the topic for today is Think Bokashi First. So this is for day 2 and think Bokashi first. Bakit? Kasi po, 'di ba pag gumagawa tayo ng household chores like pag nagluluto, 'yan, pag nagma-marketing, bumibili sa palengke or sa grocery, 'yan, yung materials na 'yon, how can you segregate all of those, inventory all of those na 'di ba, na you can lessen the waste na mapupunta sa landfill at mapupunta sa garden natin through Bokashi. Okay, so these are the 3 types of biodegradable wastes. So yung first is yung green materials. This is nitrogen rich. Ito rin po yung mabilis mabulok, tsaka marami siyang water content. Yan. So ito po yung sample ko. Broccoli stalks. Yan. So nahiwa-hiwa ko na rin siya for my Bokashi later. So, ito po yung samples, no? So, coffee grounds, tea leaves, fruit and vegetable scraps, grass clippings, and fresh garden trimmings. So, the next one is brown materials. Sila po yung carbon rich. They are very fibrous. Tsaka mas matagal siyang mabulok compared to nitrogen waste. Pero nabubulok din po siya pag pinaghalo mo siya with nitrogen waste and they absorb excess moisture. So, ang samples po nito ay ang mga brown paper bags, shredded papers, cardboards, dried flowers and dried leaves, twigs and branches. So, ito po yung sample ko. Shredded papers and itong brown paper bag. So, I have to note, no, pagdating po sa sa brown paper bags, shredded papers, cardboards, yan. Iwas po tayo sa laminated, coated, yan. Kasi po, at saka din po yung thermal, yan. Kasi po they have chemicals that may leach into our bokashi and they also decompose longer. Yun. Kaya hindi po namin rin-recommend yung thermal, glossy, and coated. Okay, so the third one is ito po yung mga not allowed for traditional composting. Pero they are possible, very possible for Bokashi composting. So sample is cooked food. Ito po, cooked food na may na rin ako, nilagyan ko na rin siya ng paper to absorb excess moisture. Yan, mga tissue paper yan. This is vegetables and oyster sauce kasi yan eh. Ayun, so cooked food, meats, dairy products, plants with seed heads, human and pet poo. Yes, surprisingly pwede rin po i-bokashi ang human and pet poo. So, we do not recommend this for beginners. Hindi rin po siya, hindi rin po namin siya recommend for use for edible plants. Yun. So, ito po kasi, this is, ang alam ko pa, this is usually practiced in areas and countries na hirap po ang kanilang sewage system or wala po silang access to sewage systems. Yun. So, the other type of waste, ito po yung mga non-biodegradables din. Okay, so ito po yung glass, plastic. So ito po yung sample ko. Not sponsored by Sprite. So, yan. Glass, plastic, metals, yung mga aluminum, ganyan. Electronics, yan po yung mga devices natin and appliances. Used oil, and furniture. Bale yung used oil, alam ko po yung iba, ginagawa pa nga po nilang soaps. There are others who know how to process it. So, what we recommend you doing for these non-biodegradables are recycling it, reusing, repurposing, repair, and resell. Yun. So, what can we expect? What should we expect pag nagbobokashi tayo? So, moist tub and pail. So, wag po tayo magulat na ang dami na natin nilagay na carbon materials, may ano pa rin, may moisture pa rin. Yes, it's inevitable. Talagang magtutubig po siya, magkakatas po siya dahil kasi bokashi will disintegrate. Dahil sa cell wall disintegration yan. Disintegrate niya yung cell walls ng kitchen waste natin. At saka pinoprocess po kasi ng bokashi yung food waste. Kaya nagtutubig siya. Yun. So, white molds. Ito, I really love this one. Kasi, minsan nga kami sa group chats, nag-share kami ng pictures na, uy, may white molds na yun sa akin, ganyan. It's either, minsan nga sa stage 1, meron na kagad eh. Minsan sa pagbubuksan na yung pail for stage 3 yan, minsan may makita kang white molds. Okay, so this is what we want. Minsan po wala, and that's okay. So ang ano lang po, we have to look out for is yung other colored molds, yan, like green or black. Yan. Pag ganon, we do not recommend adding, kapag sa tub po, nakita nyo na po na may black molds, wag nyo na po isama sa buong batch ng bucket because it will contaminate it. Yun. Pag ganon, it's either, sorry, isama nyo na lang ulit sa garbage collection. If not, if you have a backyard, bury nyo na lang po doon. Yun. Ay, wait. Okay, so, yan. Hindi pa ako tapos. Okay, so, another expectation is fermented sour smell of kitchen waste. Bakit? Kasi po ang ating bokashi, siya po yung nag-ferment, nag-brew ng kitchen waste natin. Siya po yung nagpapabilis ng decomposition actually. Yun. That's why it will smell sour. Kitchen waste plus that sour smell. Yun. So, every tub and pail will be different. Bakit? Kasi po, we eat differently every single meal. Iba-iba po ang kinakain natin every meal, iba-iba po yung kinakain natin every day. So, every tub and pail will be different. Iba po yung iba po, like what I said earlier, may iba may molds, may iba wala. Depende po yun. So, yung leachate din, yung bokashi juice, that will also be different. Yun, every time. So, ako po, sa experience ko, yung mga success ako sa white molds, yun po yung mga potatoes tsaka kamote. And they love that so much. Tsaka, yung bokashi juice, ang malakas po mag-bokashi juice talaga ay yung mga fruits like pineapples and pakwan, tsaka mangoes. Yan. Okay, thank you for watching. And that's the end of my presentation for day 2. Thank you!